Hello friends, so yes, indeed I'm in Thailand again. I'm currently in KOH LANTA, south of Thailand. It's the middle of June, so it's the beginning of the rainy season. No rain yet here, at least for a couple of days. But yeah, it's definitely we have some winds and you're feeling that it's low season. So as I said, right now I'm in KOH LANTA. This is over there is basically Long Beach, and I am now in a bay that's just south of Long Beach, and it's called Relax Bay. So let's do a quick beach walk, and this will be basically an unedited video. I will upload it as is, and that's it. Let's go. So as I said, just north of us it's the Long Beach. So we'll walk from north to south of the bay. As you can see, it's the middle of June. Basically we are like 3 people on the entire bay right now. It's low season and we have the whole beach to ourselves, and you can have your own privacy if you want to, and no rain, and we have some winds, but you can swim if you want to. No snorkeling or scuba, but you can definitely go out for a swim if you like an open water swimming. So we have some beach resorts here. Some have private thingies of their own. It's a very short beach or bay. I think it's like 5 minutes walk tops. Lots of garbage on the beach though. Seems like it's all garbage that has been washed away from the ocean. Strong currents, strong rip currents and wind currently, but again you can still do some open water swimming. I just did. That's a resort right here on the beach, like a beachfront. They have like 3-4 bars here, and I guess that in high season and when the sea is nice you can rent kayaks and whatnot here, go snorkeling between the rocks. I'm a free diver, I have no problem to go out and swim or snorkel right now, but the visibility, I've been down there and the visibility right now is way, it's fucking bah. Yeah, sorry. So I've been there and the visibility sucks right now. So basically no snorkeling or scuba, but you can definitely go out for a swim. You can sit on the beach, grab a drink, smoke a spliff, of course. Again, lots of garbage on the beach. Seems like they are not really maintaining it. But I guess every morning will bring its own surprises in terms of garbage on the beach, yeah? More bars, more taverns. So we basically go to the end of the beach. We have some long tails here. Basically you can go to other beaches or islands or whatever, short trips, half days, full days, whatnot, directly from here. Yeah, so this is the end of the beach. Relax Bay, KOH LANTA, Thailand. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one.